Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another quick how-to unboxing kind of video. So in this video I'm going to install new turn signals on my 2022 Ducati Monster 937, and these are OEM European turn signals. They're sequential as opposed to the sticky Audi ones that we get in United States. And obviously the reason why these are not included on the American versions of the bike is because they're not legal by the DOT standards or whatnot, because standard turn signals on stock bikes are supposed to stick out something like 6 inches beyond the headlight, and that is the reason for us not getting these in the United States. So without further ado, let's unbox this and slap them on the bike. So I got these from Ducati Omaha. I'll put the link in the description below. They were about $160, and it took quite a while because they had to come straight from Italy first, and then I received them. So it comes in this cute little box, Ducati. So once you open it up, you get greeted with a little bag of bolts and parts. Everything is Ducati branded, which is adorable. One of my favorite things about getting stuff directly from Ducati. So you get the box, and then inside the box there's two little boxes. So there is the right one and the left one. And I'll be honest with you, I already opened this up, so this box is empty, and this box has both the pieces. So everything was very well packaged, very well protected from its long trip from Italy. And like I already said, I love these Ducati branded little bags. Makes me feel like a little nerd. So here we go. We got the left one and we got the right one, or actually we got the right one and we got the left one. And one of the things you will need to do is install these little clips. And as you see, there's a little bit of an angle like this, right? So the clips go into here. There's 4 of them, and the nipple part, as you can tell, goes up. So there we go. 1, and then 2. Yep, come on, get in there. And you got to be delicate here because this is delicate little plastic, obviously. 2. There we go. And there should be 1 more. And there we are. And we actually have 4 of these bolts. I am unsure if I need to reuse these or I can reuse the ones that are already on the bike, because this adorable little kit did not come with directions of any sort. So here we are. So this we no longer need, and this we do need. So let's go down to the bike and plop these on. Should not be too hard. Not sure if I mentioned it, but the tool we're using is a 4mm. Just in the interest of showing you, this is what the stock turn signals look like. And we're gonna start on the right one. First and foremost, we have to remove the old ones. And to do that, we gotta get under here. So I hope you could see. And this is not really a very tricky or difficult mod by any means, but I document all of my mods, so might as well document this one as well. And I believe these are the same exact bolts as that come with the kit. Yep, they literally are exactly the same, so we're just gonna reuse them. There's no need to put in new bolts. Could probably use the same tool over here. There we go. There we go. Take out both of these bolts. Nice and easy. 1, 2. Now this thing should just remove just like that. Nice and easy. There we go. So we push on this, pull this out. Now This goes in here like that, and we simply plug it in and tuck it away into this cavity so nothing gets pinched. You can actually tuck the whole connector in there, in that little hole, which is cute. All right, so now we line this up, and I believe this little tab here goes into that slit. Boom. And just like so, the light is on. And now we simply bolt these back in. There we go, there's the first hole. Make sure it catches. And then the second one. And it's funny, it's about to start pouring, so it's actually pretty getting pretty windy and dark, so I am trying to get this done quick. All right, so let me tighten this, and now it's the moment of truth. Will this work? Adorable. Now let's turn on. There we go. Look at that. What a difference. What a difference. I love it. And now we will do the other half. Same thing on this side. A little bit harder to see, I'm guessing, because it is a little bit darker. Got it. It's gonna be over here. All right, so the second one is down here. Down here, down here, down here. You probably cannot see it at all, but trust me, it is there. There we go. So now we gently pull this baby out, pull the connector. There we go. Now we take this and push on here, pull this out nice and neat, and now it's a race against time. So now we plug this in. Wait. We go this way. There we go. Push this in there. See, it kind of goes back into its hiding back there. And then this tab goes in here, just like so. Beautiful. First bolt. Not too tight, because there's not really a lot of action here. These will just chill here. And the second one goes in just as easily, right under there. And you have to remember, there's a third bolt, this one right here. See how they were? This one, you don't have to do anything with it, because it just kind of holds this piece together. So without further ado, let's take a look at the bike. Boom. Much better. So much better. Right, left. Nice. So now all I have to do is just figure out my tail, and then we'll be all set. Anyway, thank you for watching. Everybody ride safe.